Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your SoundPeats Air free with any iOS device like iPhone or iPad. So first of all, before the pairing, just remember to charge your earbuds with this USB-C port for like 10 minutes and disconnect them from any previously connected devices. Next, just open this charging case and click and hold this small button and hold it until this indicator starts blinking. Okay, it looks like there's some kind of the issue because I just closed the case, so let's repeat. There we go, right now it is blinking. So put it close to your device, but do not close the cover. Go to the settings, open the Bluetooth, turn it on. And from the devices, select your SoundPeats Air free. And as you can see right now, we are successfully connected. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.